Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we are talking about the non-uniform rapidly varied flow, and we are going to solve one numerical question. And the given question is, so that the Froude number F1 and F2 in a hydraulic jump occurring in a rectangular channel are related by Fr2 square equals 8 Fr1 square is divided by -1 plus root over 1 plus 8 Fr1 square whole 3. So let's start the question. Solution: given that Fr1 equals P1 by Gy1 whole root, or V1 equals Fr1 root over Gy1, and F2 equals P2 is divided by Gy2 whole root, where V2 equals Fr2 root over Gy2. This one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. Now, using the continuity equation, P1 y1 equals P2 y2. Now placing the value of P1 and P2 in this equation, the V1 is Fr1 root over Gy1 dot y1 equals P2 is Fr2 root over Gy2 dot y2. On simplifying this, y1 by y2 equals Fr2 by Fr1 whole power 2 by 3. Also, this equation can also be written as y2 equals y1 by 2 times of -1 plus root over 1 plus 8 Fr1 whole square or y1 by y2 equals 2 times of -1 plus 1 plus 8 Fr1 whole square whole root. This is equation 4 and this is equation 3. Now equating equation 3 and 4, we get Fr2 by Fr1 whole 2 by 3 equals 2 by -1 plus 1 plus 8 Fr1 whole square whole root, where or Fr2 whole square is equal to 8 Fr1 whole square is divided by -1 plus root over 8 Fr1 square whole 3, which proves the requirement. So this much for today. We'll come again with one new video. Till then, keep on watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.